Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I watch you some colorful fish and they are exciting moment. They are playing well. How can they play? You can watch you some their activities. Oh, looking good. Mashallah. Mashallah. They are playing well, playing well. Snake-headed fish. This is a snake-headed fish. This is a green color fish. Oh, yes. You want to go from here. Oh, yes, one by one. Oh, looking good. Looking good. Here is someone. Oh, 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 yes. Oh. Playing well. Oh, snake-headed fish. Going. Whoa. They are so danger. It is also want to go from here. Oh yes, looking good. I catch two golden fish and koi fish. Looking good. Mashallah, mashallah. Yet, here's some colorful fish. Whoa, fish. Looking good, mashallah. Mashallah. Playing well. Whoa. Wow! This is looking good. Mashallah, mashallah. This is another one. Koi fish. Koi carp. They're all playing well. Playing well. Mashallah, mashallah. Oh, yes. Hi. Yeah, some colorful fish are here. Looking good, playing well. Mashallah, mashallah. Here another one, playing well. Beautiful fish. Excellent. Oh, mashallah, looking good. Yes. Oh, white fish, so cute. Golden color. Oh, golden fish. Looking good, mashallah. Thank you. See you next video. Allah will start. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. I hope you enjoy this video. Today I watch you some colorful fish. This is exciting moment. They are playing well. So let's get started. There are some colorful fish. There are currents blowing, but here is some colorful fish are playing. This is playing well. Colorful fish. Oh, wow, wow. Just beautiful. Looking good. Mashallah. Mashallah. I want to watch you one by one. Oh, their activities. This is jump. Oh, this is one. Looking good. Looking good. This is another one. This is another one. Playing well. Mashallah. Oh, it gives some. This is another one. Oh, it's very clever. This is very clever. Oh, playing well. Mashallah, looking good. Looking good. Here is one. This is white color. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, so cute. Lovely fish, so cute. Oh yes, They're playing well, mashallah, mashallah, looking good, looking good. Oh, another one, another one. Oof, so beautiful. Lovely fish, lovely fish. Don't give jump. You want to give a jump. Playing well, playing well. Excellent, excellent. Wow, wow. Looking good. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Here is one. Yet playing well. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Lovely, lovely. Beautiful, beautiful fish. See you next video. Allah Hafiz. Tata. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Today I watch you some colorful fish. This is exciting moment. There's some colorful fish playing well. There is snake-headed fish, quick up. They're playing. Oh, they're coming. The camera is saying to hi. Hi. Oh yes, this is excellent. This is excellent. Colorful fish. They're playing well. I want to catch. I want to catch. I want to catch. Oh yes, colorful fish. Colorful fish are playing well. There are some colorful fish. This is a koi carp. This is a koi carp. A snake-headed fish. Try to go from here, come back. This is a koi carp. Koi fish is playing well. They're playing well. Looking good. He take preparation for charms. How can he go from here? This is his. Oh yes, yes. Oh, looking good. Oh, mashallah, mashallah. Taking well. You want to go from here. You want to go from here. This is looking good. The tie. The tie. The tie. Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh, mashallah, mashallah. Playing well, playing well. Beautiful moment. Beautiful moment. This is not plastic fish. This is real fish. No. This is real fish, not plastic fish. Plastic fish are moving here and there. Oh yes, it is come. It is coming. Oh, they go back from here. Looking good, mashallah, mashallah. Looking good. Beautiful fish, beautiful fish. Where you come from here? Tell me. Oh, another. Oh, it is beautiful, beautiful. Looking good. MashaAllah. Assalamu alaikum. See you next video. Allah Hafiz. Tata. Bye bye.